Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. On today's episode, I'm going to be explaining to you what's going on currently with our dream home build on this piece of land. It's been about 2 years now, and as you can see, there's still no house. I'm going to explain it on this video. Stay tuned. So just give you a background, we got this property around July 2022, approximately about 2 years ago. We went through all the feasibility and all the easements, and if you're interested on that video explaining how I got those, check out this video right here after you watch this video. Through this whole 2 years, we've just been planning. We had our architect build us a house. We had all the floor plans, we had a 3D render of that house plan to be put on this property. Everything was going fine, everything was good. We went through our builder, he went through the county because he was helping us get through all the paperwork and all the legalities of everything. And he did find something that was very, very important, which helped us a lot. That was a binding agreement from a developer, meaning that they owe us a utility connection, saving us thousands of dollars in utilities that we don't need to pay for ourselves, because that is owed through a binding agreement, which I'll show you right here through this property. So when I reached out to that developer, they did tell me yes, they owe us a utility connection, but in order for them to do that, they have to finish their development on the right side of our property. They explained to me that they're going to be developing it into an upper and lower area. Us being in the upper area, they're just waiting for it to build approximately 6 units on the left side, which was pretty sad because we thought that this is going to be isolated. We won't have any houses on the left. But since this is a prime spot with the mountain view, of course, after they build that development over there, we can go and connect to them. The sad part was they were offering to buy our piece of property so that they can meet their goals on their development on that side. The thing with that is we did not want to sell our land. This is our land and we wanted to build our dream home here. So we said no, we are not going to sell them our property. As of now, we're going to keep this property and we are going to wait for them to build their development on the left so that we can have our binding agreement from the county so we can connect to their property with our utilities, saving us thousands of dollars. We did already a lot of improvements on this property. We got it a lot of surveys already on it. We got it engineered by a geotech engineer, and we had everything all surveyed out around the area. So we put a lot of money down already to develop this land, and also we included that retaining wall, which I highly suggest you watch how we built that wall down there. So me and my wife talked about it already, and since this land is not going to get built on for approximately 3 to 4 years from now, at the meantime, we went and looked around for another property, and I'm excited to show you friends this new project for this channel, and I'm excited to renovate it and show you guys the final outcome. It's going to be part of the channel as well, so I want to show you right now.